Okay, let's get started here. We'll start with check constraint. So this again same thing, what we have looked at is like null versus not null, default. Now we are looking at check constant. Again, this is on a column within a table, right? Let's look at what this check constant is, and where do we define this check constant? If I can go back to my slide from other day, right? So this is.
Please share the screen.
Oh, okay. Yeah, one sec. Can you see the slide now?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, good. Thanks for reminding. So here, right, we told that there are four components when you create a table in the create table syntax. One being the table name, and the second one being the column. Third one is the data types, and this is the fourth one is constants. There are different constants here. You can say primary key, foreign key, not null, default, check, unique. Okay, right? So now we are looking at what is that? Check constant. Oh, no, 6. Yeah, check constant. So let's see what check constant is. So here is the table definition. Again continuing with the same table. This is my table name. These are the columns. Okay, and these are the data types. And here I have check constant of primary key on first column, not null on second column. Column number 3, I did not mention any constants. Column number 4, I mentioned a check constant to say that the age should be between 10 and 99. And column number 5, I also have a check constant to say that the allowed values or permissible values in this column here are A, B, C, D. Anything other than this will be rejected right away because you have defined a check constant. Again, check constant is used for a proper data quality or good to avoid bad data, right? So let's look at here. Okay, so this final row here, see this row 4 and 5, I have ID, I have name, I have city, I have age. So why is this row being rejected? Because the grade, we are trying to insert it as E, but E is not allowed. Only A, B and C, D, the 4 characters are allowed. E is not allowed as per the table definition. Okay, and then for the column 5, we are trying to insert the age of 8, where we said that the age should be between 10 and 99. So 8 does not comply with this age restriction, so that's why this is rejected. So this way, you can have check constant of any number of columns, but make sure you keep it very simple so that the performance on the table is good. If you have very complicated check constant, then when you try to insert rows, then it will degrade the performance. So this is very small lesson. Yeah, and so the purpose is enforce specific conditions or rules on data entered into a column. So that is the main purpose. Validation, it ensures that only data meeting the specified condition is inserted. Okay, and this is column level, applies to a single column. Okay, table level, you can have a table level too that involves multiple columns, but again, overly complex check constants can impact performance. And one more thing, here in the definition of check constants, you cannot refer a column or a table outside of the student. It should be within this table definition. Okay, right.